Ali and I are in our hotel room. We just got to the MGM hotel and all of our family is already here. We're about to go out to eat. I'm still wearing the jeans that I was wearing earlier at the airport, but I did change my top and then I just put a little jacket on. And then, Ali, you wanna go? Yes, girl, do a little twirl. What kind of shoes are you gonna wear with that?
Costco flippies.
Yes, and where's that dress from?
It's from Primark in London.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think it was $6 or
nice.
£6.
Nice. So yeah, we're about to get our little trip started. Be a little bit loud, but we're about to get ready to go out for lunch. I think we're gonna get some Thai food and then maybe walk around the city a little bit. But I'm not sure because it's raining and we didn't realize it was gonna be raining while we were here, but it's fine. Last night we went to the casino for a little bit before bed, and the hotel that we're staying at, by the way, has a casino inside of it. We're staying at the MGM in DC. So nice in here, like really beautiful. I don't think I've ever been in a hotel so fancy. To the casino last night for just a few hours. Ali and I did not really win any money. Ali, you won a little bit of money though.
Yeah.
But did you win anything or did?
I think in the end I didn't. I maybe cut even.
Yeah, I did not break even. I think I put in like $200 and I have my little voucher card for like $26. So.
Do I get a back tip?
Yeah, maybe. We'll see. We only play the slots though. I think everyone, like all of our family, I'll show you my family. So yeah, here's everyone. Oh, and let me show you guys the hotel too. It's so nice. This frog didn't move last night, but yeah, it's moving now. It's very rare that I get a Thai tea, but these are just so yummy. My beef noodle soup is here. Everyone else is getting their food too. We've also just been eating the whole time since we got in the restaurant. We're out doing a little bit of sightseeing, just really taking pictures and stuff. I love being with them because they're very big on taking pictures and I just love that. I love that kind of energy. So we just went to go see the Washington Monument and then the Lincoln Memorial. I think we're gonna go see the Jefferson Memorial or Monument. I'm not sure which one that is. Look at this little plump squirrel.
Huh? Well, it was cold from when I was like 12.
Ali and I are upstairs at the casino now. There's 2 levels to the casino and we're at the upstairs portion because there was not as many people here. I said that as someone just walked by. But we were just up here getting some cute pictures. We wanted to make sure that no one was in our pictures when we took them. And of course, the cute pictures that I got, there was someone in the back. I'll overlay some of the pictures that we got. They were super cute. And a pro tip for taking cute pictures, I like to look on Pinterest of like places that I'm going to be or like areas that I'm gonna be in and see like inspo for my pictures. And I found this cute picture. This girl had her like legs up and I wanted to recreate it and it came out really, really good. But we played a couple of games up here and I was losing money, of course. Ali won so much money. Can I see your little ticket?
Yeah, but it would have been so much more if there, I don't know, maybe, I don't know.
I don't know. There's this one game up here and it did not say that Ali had $200 in her machine.
It said like a...
Yeah, but it printed out that much, so. But we're pretty much finished up here. I don't think we're gonna play any more games and we're about to go downstairs to meet our grandparents and our uncle for some dinner. We'll probably I want to get some sushi, but I don't know what else everyone else wants. But I think it's like a big section with like food. I think it's like a big food court and we're gonna go check that out. Are you winning big?
No, they're on
free games.
You get
oh, we like the free games though.
Two ring both sides, and it didn't ring a lot. Oh, there's one more here. Oh man.
We'll see though. I put 25 and I don't know if it'll do anything.
Oh! This is the big winning machine.
See, wait, cash out.
Cash out.
25 in, 45 out.
Yes! Uh-oh.
You need one more devil.
Yeah.
Yes!
I got it. Oh man. The lucky machine. Man.
He won again. This is crazy.
Keep coming, keep coming.
Keep coming.
Oh, 271.
Whoa, look at those big winnies.
Oh, man.
Oh, focus. It's crazy. How does it feel to be rich?
My pocket booming again. After that, I get as well. A dollar bill and a 20.
Yes. It's the next day. Ali and I are at the gym. We leave the hotel at 11 today, and we're gonna be driving up to Atlantic City. But Ali and I wanted to get a workout in real quick. We're just gonna do a quick little Apple Fitness. I love my Apple Fitness. Pop it up on my iPad, and we have this whole yoga room to ourselves. It's really nice. But yeah, we're gonna do a little 20-minute Apple Fitness yoga, and then we're gonna get back up to our room, get ready, and then go. Getting ready to leave the MGM hotel. Bye. MGM Resort. Headed to Atlantic City, Hard Rock, at Atlantic City. Bye. Yeah, Ali showed me a little curl hack. She like just wrapped her curl around the brush barrel. You wanna try it?
Yeah, did it 20 minutes ago, still there.
But my we're rocking. How old is my hair?
How old is it?
I washed it Monday morning. It's not that old, but I threw it up, so.
I'm sorry.
This hotel was kind of outrageous to stay in. Like, they had tons of restaurants, and then like down there even, there's a lot of restaurants and also shopping that you can do. It's kind of crazy. And then right across over there is the casino, like the entrance for the actual casino. But yeah, we're about to head out, and then we're gonna drive. I think the drive is like 3.5 hours. I think I'm gonna be driving, unfortunately, but it's fine. We made it to the Hard Rock Casino. I don't think that's focusing. My camera has such a problem focusing. Like, I still don't think it's focused, even though it's literally like on my face.
I did such a bad job putting this outfit together. I did not plan for long term. Look at this little crochet bag I have with this dress.
Same. I don't think that my like little brown suede bag goes with this either. I cannot wait to show you guys an outfit of the day because honestly I'm looking really good. But we're on the way to the cafe, like the Hard Rock Cafe in the Hard Rock Hotel. And we're just gonna be here for 2 nights. We're leaving Friday morning. But yeah, we're about to eat. So excited to eat. Guys, our drive was literally the worst. Could you point us in the direction of where the cafe would be, like the Hard Rock Cafe?
If you go downstairs to the casino level, and you just want to walk through the casino floor and kind of switch your left a little bit.
Okay.
And it's in the back. It'll be right across from the Sugar Factory. There'll be.
Ooh, the Sugar Factory is gonna be over there.
Is that them? No, I have no idea. Okay, thank you so
Okay,
much.
thank you. So our drive was like hands down the worst. We weren't even like 15 minutes into the drive, and we literally witnessed a bridge collapse like right in front of us. It was like, what would you say, like 7 cars ahead of us. The bridge collapse. It was so scary, and we were there for like maybe 45 minutes. Whoever was organizing like the traffic, whatever, got us out in 45 minutes, but it still like pushed our trip back so much. And then we just like got into so much traffic. I was the one driving, and I was super stressed. My hands were literally sweating like the entire time. It's getting really loud, but we're about to go eat, and yeah, I'll check back in a little bit later. We're at the little boardwalk, and I did not expect this. This is like a circus. I was not expecting this.
Who's best dressed to the circus? Us.
Us, we're best dressed. Look at us, walking in like royalty. Found a mirror that I can do a little outfit check in. So this is a Wilfred from Aritzia jumpsuit that I got off of ThredUp recently.
He's the best one. There's one over there.
Oh my god, thank you. Okay, switching. So like I was saying, this is from Wilfred at Aritzia, but I got it from ThredUp. And then I'm still wearing my Air Forces. I didn't bring better shoes. And then jewelry, Ana Luisa. Let's do a little makeup check. Ali, you want to give us the outfit rundown?
Costco shoes.
Yes.
Urban.
I love it.
Cute little abuela in Mexico.
Hair looking good. Beautiful. Hi guys, I ran out of time to film like a little outfit of the day, but I'm not really bringing anything too exciting. So today's Thursday, it's our last day here. Tomorrow we're leaving really early in the morning because we do have to like a flight to catch. And we're flying out of DC, so we have to like go drive back to DC. But right now we're just looking for our grandparents because we're gonna meet them for lunch, I think. Yeah, lunch. They already ate breakfast, but they'll probably eat again if we get something. I think that we're wanting sushi today. Last night though, we ate at the actual Hard Rock Cafe, and I give it a
5 out of 10.
I was gonna say 4 out of 10. The wings were pretty good. We got some wings to start, and I love buffalo wings, so I ate those up. But we got like, I got mac and cheese and some grilled chicken, and the grilled chicken was so salty. The mac and cheese was pretty good. I don't know. To have the whole,
I got an Impossible Burger, and those are usually good, but this was really bad.
Oh, and her bun was burnt, like so burnt. Oh, okay. We see our grandparents, we're gonna meet up with them. Too much security around, I don't know. I'm not gonna bring out my vlog camera. I just want big. I just want a big one.
Look at it.
It keeps going. Well, look, it's flying. So that was actually all the vlog footage that I got from our trip. We had the best time. Like, watching this over, I'm just like, wow, we had the best time. I loved being there with my sister and then also being there with our family. So we did not go with our parents. Our parents were not there. We went with our grandma and grandpa, and then all of our family, like on our dad's side basically. And yeah, they all live in Florida, so they kind of just traveled up together. And my grandparents flew separately. They flew with my cousin and her friend, but everyone else drove, and we just all met up, and it was such an amazing time. Like, oh my gosh. Nalek, if you're watching this, thank you so much for taking us on this trip. We had literally the best time. If you ever want to check out my family's restaurant, they are located in Okeechobee, Florida. It is called Peppermint. They do Thai food, and they also do sushi there. And let me tell you, the Thai food there is just, it's like I get that there's other Thai restaurants that exist, and I get that like a lot of people probably think that it all tastes like pretty good. No, like my family's cooking is out of this world unreal. But yeah, so if you're ever in the area wanting some good Thai food, say hello to my family. They're over there at Peppermint. That is it for today's vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this little travel vlog. I am going to be going to Florida in a few weeks, and I think I'm going to be vlogging there. So if you like this travel vlog, then make sure you give this video a like and subscribe so you can catch the next one. That is going to be it from me today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you aren't already subscribed, definitely go ahead and do so, and hopefully I see you next time.